Click the circled plus on the top right, select Add Device. Quick Add Operation, select the swing gate, which has an orange cycle on the top right corner. If the Wi-Fi network is failure, you also can add the device by Bluetooth Add. Click the Bluetooth Add, click Confirm, it will show add success. The app will show Bluetooth work mode in the left top. The device supports to use the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth work mode. Click the Settings button in the top right, select Set/Modify Wi-Fi, click Confirm. Select the Wi-Fi, enter the passcode and click Confirm. Now the device will auto-switch its work mode when Wi-Fi is failure.